Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I will tell you a simple and relaxing story in English. This story will help you improve your listening and your vocabulary. Try to listen carefully and follow the text on the screen. If you can, repeat the sentences after you hear them. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Emma lives in a small and quiet city where everything feels calm and friendly. She works in an office near her home, and every day she follows the same routine. In the morning, she wakes up early, gets ready, and walks to work. She likes walking because the streets are clean and the air is fresh. One day, as she walks to work, she notices something new. There is a small coffee shop on the corner of the street. Emma stops and looks at it with curiosity. The shop looks warm and welcoming. The lights inside are soft and the windows are clean and bright. This place looks nice, she thinks, but she is late for work, so she continues walking. The next day, she sees the coffee shop again. This time, she has a little more time. She decides to go inside. When she opens the door, she hears a soft sound of music. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. It feels calm and peaceful. A man behind the counter smiles at her. "Good morning," he says kindly. "Good morning," Emma replies with a smile. She looks at the menu on the wall. There are many options, but she chooses a simple coffee. "One coffee, please," she says. The man prepares the coffee carefully. After a moment, he gives it to her. "Here you go," he says. Emma takes the cup and thanks him. She sits near the window and takes a small sip. The coffee is warm and tastes very good. She looks outside and watches people walking by. For the first time in a long time, she feels relaxed in the morning. The next day, she comes back again, and the next day, and the next. After a few days, the man at the counter recognizes her. "The usual?" he asks with a smile. Emma smiles back. "Yes, please," she says. Slowly, the coffee shop becomes part of her daily life. She starts to feel more comfortable and happy in her routine. Sometimes she brings a book and reads while she drinks her coffee. Other times, she just sits quietly and enjoys the moment. One morning, she arrives and sees something different. The coffee shop is full of people. Everyone is talking, smiling, and enjoying their time. Emma looks around and smiles. She realizes something simple but important. A small place can change your day, and sometimes a simple cup of coffee can make you feel better. From that day on, Emma always starts her morning there, with a warm coffee and a quiet smile. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you learn new words and improve your English. Try to listen again and repeat the sentences to practice your speaking and your listening. See you in the next story.